Hey everybody, giving you a quick tutorial on my hair since I've had so many people ask me, how do I get it so intense? What do I use? So I use an awesome color called Keune. The brand is Keune. I love the passionate pink color. That's what I have in my hair right now. They have tons of different colors. It is a temporary color. It is a color conditioner too, so I love that. I don't follow the instructions on the bottle. What I do is I'm gonna wash my hair at night. I'm gonna section off the pieces I want with really good gloves. You'll need those because it's messy. Then you'll brush the color on, or you put it on with your fingers. I wrap the pieces up with foil, and then I stick them on my head in a shower cap and sleep in it overnight. Then I wash it out the next day. That's what gives it this gorgeous intensity, and it's lasted for months. This is the first time I've done it since right before Christmas. So it makes me smile. It makes other people smile. If that's what you want to do, I'm giving you permission now. Have fun with your hair and always be you. Be confident and have fun.